Um, Let me ask you this question. What can we best do right now for the planet? Because the planet is shifting, right? Is it?
Yeah, but I think the best thing that we can do, even for the whole planet, is just for each person just to realize their own magnificence, to just start their own inner journey. Because as each person works on themselves and realize that who they are at their core is love, the whole planet can be healed.
Mm.
I think that rather than pursuing and trying to change other people or trying to change the planet, sometimes that creates even more strife. It's the same energy that creates the strife in the first place. But our only responsibility is just to change ourselves and to realize the love that we are. And that's all we have to do.
Unconditional self-love.
Yeah,
I
unconditional.
cannot wait to share our interview with the world. I'm gonna put this little mini minute here right now online, just as a little preview. Thank you, Anita.
Oh, my pleasure.